The Trap House.
Yeah.
I'll look it up right now.
Hey man, it's the D-Money vlog, yeah! Alright, so guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been like mad long, but I'm coming back with a D-Money marathon, bro. For this whole month until my birthday, November 23rd, I will be vlogging. So guys, today is the first day of midterms. Wish me some good luck. Room check real quick. Let me close my drawer, obviously. You know what I'm saying? Quick room check real quick. It's actually going kind of nice. Don't mind my bed. I have to obviously make it up. I'll make it up right about that movie magic, guys. Now, it's not the best made bed, but hey, it is. Hold on, wait. I think it's missing something. See my process of me getting ready today. But before we start anything, let me light one of these because, yeah. Light an incense a day to keep Just Judy away? Is that what they say? Bro, I was gonna be like Lil Wayne, you know, when he used to be like, and he used to do that shit in front of the camera, they used to be so tight. Yeah, a nice little tip from college dorms if you want to keep your room smelling like so fresh and so clean. If you don't got no candles, use a motherfucking incense, bro. And we smoking on that incense pack. It's like, nah. Stupid, I'm not. But yeah, guys, so today, I'm going to show you my process of getting ready today. Like, my fit will be fire today. I'm not going nowhere. But I got to make sure my fit's always crisp. I probably can't even see me. I got to make sure my fit is always crisp. Yeah, let's get started, bro. Oh, don't pay attention to my hair, guys. I'm getting my haircut next Thursday when I do my photo shoot, so be ready for that. It's a sneak peek, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, you know what? I'm about to get my package real quick because my package got the pants in there that I want to wear today. So I'm about to actually take a trip downstairs. So let me put on a bummy fit real quick and go downstairs. Now, look, ladies, do I look handsome? Oh my Dr. Umar shit.
I cut my hair down, ladies. Do I look alright?
The package is fucking down there. I'm saying, one thing about college campuses, you gotta make sure your shit is there or niggas will try to steal it. No cap. No cap. And so let me show y'all real quick when I go down there. I'm saying, they all like, dog, where have you been? Da, da, da. Let me tell you something, bro. It was hard. Like, it was hard vlogging and shit. Especially during COVID. Not enough happening. Like, these vlogs might be a little trash, but I'm gonna make it entertaining for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I actually got some moves coming up. Yeah, stay tuned, bro. Let me show you into the office and shit like that. I'm on the 5th floor. And, bro, like, niggas are run up in this shit. But y'all on the 5th floor? And, like, bro, I have to go all the way downstairs just to even come back up. Like, hello floors, bro. Like, do I take the elevator and be a fat bitch? Or do I just walk downstairs? Got the off-white slides on with Nike socks. It's a new collab and shit like that, you know. Mind y'all, y'all gotta stop wearing easy slides with fucking Nike socks. Just wear some regular Gilligan socks. Gildan socks. Don't wear no Nike socks with fucking easy slides, bro. That shit creases me. Like, if you wanna do that, get the Adidas socks. They're probably cheaper than Nike socks. That's what I gotta say about it. That shit is so bad. Like, it's not drip. All these fucking goddamn stairs, my nigga. I'm only on the 3rd floor and shit. I mean, this be some good exercise. Like, goddamn, my nigga. Second. Finally. Thornton down.
Do you have your ID?
Oh, she's something I left upstairs. Hold on. I mean, but do you see the name on the list though? Dale Thorpe?
I would have to,
see my ID?
Yeah.
Okay. Holy fuck, now I have to go back upstairs, dude. I think I forgot something. Looks like I have to walk all the way around. I'm not even pressed to put this fit on no more, bro. Like, I don't even feel like it. But I'm gonna still show you the fit though. No, I'm gonna show you another day. I don't even feel like grabbing that shit right now. You know what I'm saying? One thing about college campuses, you gotta make sure your shit in the right place. Cause goddamn, my nigga, that's embarrassing, bro. Like, you sure, bro? I don't know. I be wanting to take this fucking mask off though. I hate it. Shit crazy. But I think I got like 2 midterms today. Well, what's up, Warden?
How you doing?
Oh, good. Yeah, bro. I think I got like 2 midterms today. So, god damn, my nigga. I got a bad fit on. Everybody's looking at me. You know, when you have bad fits, everybody just seems to pop out. It's cool though. Damn, I really gotta go and get my shit, bro. Let me go ahead with this. An interesting point. I just put on a hoodie because I was like, who the fuck is gonna pay attention to what I got on? First off. Secondly, not for nothing, who am I trying to impress on this bitch? You know what I'm saying? Well, I got one, but chill on that. But yeah, so right now we about to, what time is it? I guess I'm gonna grab something to eat. So we'll be having our luxurious HBCU. And then probably gonna go ahead and study because I have this fucking midterm. I'll show you my midterm schedule, just in case I might be interested in some shit. So I'm gonna show y'all all down in the hall and shit. And I gotta get my package from this little ass office because I swore I had it in the other office, but it wasn't there. So now I gotta go all the way back around just to get a package, bro. So I'm ready to show y'all that. And yeah, so who fucking knows, bro? I'm definitely gonna wear this today. Don't know what I'm gonna wear with it, but definitely gonna wear it. Urban Outfitters. Definitely got great. Urban Outfitters is nice. You got some of the best quality clothes I've ever seen. So that's actually a big fact. But now I'm ready to go down the hall, Jiffy. But I can't get out, dummy. Hold on. It's just one of those days, I guess. You got some of the best quality clothes I've ever seen. So that's actually a big fact. But now I'm ready to go down the hall, Jiffy. But I can't get out, dummy. Hold on. So it turns out I had to change my fit because fit I had earlier, it just wasn't working. I like this fit way better though. But yeah, I got my cheese, you know what I'm saying? Something light, you know what I'm saying? A booty steak for real. But I'm gonna give you this unboxing real quick before I get up out of here for today. Got this from Urban Outfitters, obviously. I think I have another package coming today, but I'm gonna save that for tomorrow's vlog. I think I got it from Foot Locker. I got some heat. I got actually YouTuber with this. Okay, so hold on, wait. Let me take this mask off. Take this mask off. That's just on my AirPod fly, but it's cool. You know what? Go ahead and just do this for y'all. Alrighty, so this is my first unboxing. Urban Outfitters. Let's see what I got, bro. Shout out Urban Outfitters, cause y'all for. Can't even talk. I'm really just trying to brand my like horizon. Like, you know what I'm saying? I want to be known for something else, you know? More than what I dress for. You feel me? I want to make statements when I dress, bro. But yeah, bro, so it's a little quick unboxing for y'all real quick. I always gotta spell my name wrong. Who am I? Pontiac DDG Daryl. It's only one Daryl DDG, and that's me. But hey, man, this is my first day of the D-Money Marathon. I hope y'all like it. Damn, the incense still burning. I hope y'all liked it. I'll be back tomorrow for the same time. And yeah, oh, I have 2 midterms today, guys, so wish me good luck. But besides that, it's D-Money from the Trap House, and I'm out. Let's get it.
Said I'm on 3 pills right now, if I'm being honest. Hope my feelings shoot out like a rocket. Niggas thought they had the swag, but I'm really on it. Look at you just window shopping that new bag I bought.